Do you guys remember yesterday I have provided you one task? No one knows the task. No one remember the task.
Roast comedies, roasting.
Sorry. Yes, sir, but not practiced. Arey, no need to practice. Just come, speak, or read whatever you note, whatever the points you created. No need to practice. This is just an exercise, okay? Just be prepared. Be prepared. If you practice, that's really great. If not, we'll prepare here. Then at least you have written some points, right, on that. So we'll begin with our roast. Then who is going to be first? Yeah, let me know who is going first. Just let me know. Who wants to go first? Yeah, Vijay, you want to go first? Sita, do you want to go first? Sita, do you want to go first? Okay. What about others? No one prepared? Arey Baba, let me know if you guys prepared or not. Ooh. Why, guys? This was I given the task for you only. That it will help you guys to be more open. It's a great task. It is in trend and everyone like roast. Everyone like roasting each other. So I thought uh, if you guys prepared some point and come and speak over here, you guys feel more free. We'll get more confidence about the next task we are going to perform. Okay, please let me know if anyone have prepared. Akansha, Kusuma, Akila, Sandhya, you guys prepared? Revati, Meghna, have you guys prepared or not? Others, I'm talking to you. Bhavani, Parimala, you guys sleeping or what? I'm calling your names, guys. Please let me know if you prepared the topic or not. Look, if I'm calling your name and you are not responding, no, I'll tell the your senior, the HOD ma'am, that I'm calling their names and they are not responding. They might be switched on the meeting and left already. I'm warning you guys. If you are not responding when I'm calling your name, I'll directly go to your HOD and ask that this person didn't respond to me and left meeting already. Do you guys want me to get strict like your regular professors? Okay, we are here to like study with fun, right? We will have fun by learning. So if I'm asking you guys to please respond, like calling your name and I'm asking for your responses, please let me in the chat box. This should be an interactive class, right? That's why you guys paid the fees. That's why I get paid to make this class interactive. Let's make it interactive then. We'll have fun, we'll learn, we'll do multiple tasks, the lecture. You guys perform the programming, you guys perform the task, and it will be great. Okay, okay. I will not do that. I'll be the same. Okay, for now. Okay, so no worries. I'm giving you one more day. Okay, I'm giving you one more day. Please prepare that roast. Okay, I have given you the task that I have. We have this person Popo, right? We have this person Popo. Okay. Now imagine this person in your mind like you want. Okay. Imagine this person like you want. Prepare a roast on that guy, and tomorrow is Sunday, right? On a Monday we'll do this roast. It will just hardly take 10 minutes of our class. Yeah, that will be great. That's what I'm asking. Just try it once. Lakshmi, just try it once. It will be fun. I'm saying no. I'm telling you, it will be fun. Okay, okay. So let's get back to our topic. Let me open my PPT. Thank you, man. Okay, so here we are with our PPT, right? Let's go to our PPT. Okay. So yes, till yesterday we have completed our unit one, right? And we have completed a doubt session on the unit one. And from today we'll start our new topic. I mean new unit called class and objects. Okay. So first we will, as usually, first we will see the theory, and then we'll go to our programming. But first, you have to face like couple of lectures for the theory, right? So we'll go to theory, then in couple of days we'll go for programming. Okay. So as we know that Java is a programming language and a platform. Okay. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language and secure too. So, as we already know that Java is mostly or mainly consists of objects and class. Total overall loops concept, and it's the one of the most secure programming language we have right now. Why? I have told reason already in the introduction class. Even the banking sector uses Java. Even the banking sector uses Java, where we required high level security, right? So now let's see what is class and what is object. Let us see what is class and what is object now. So I know you guys have we have already learned what is class and object, but still we'll go and see again. Okay. First, let's see an object. Let's see an object. Well, in Java, an object have a characteristic and its behavior. In Java, an object have a characteristic and its behavior. So as you know that a object is a real life entity, right? An object is a real life entity. So let's consider on mobile, your mobile as your object. Let's consider your mobile as your object. So how is your mobile? Like in black color, in rectangular shape, right? Black color and rectangular shape. So these 2 points, black color and rectangular shape, are the characteristics of your object. Okay, and it is touch screen and Android, right? It's a touch screen phone and with an Android, right? So these are its behavior, right? Touch screen and Android. So what I'm trying to say is your object have two things. First is characteristics, and second its behavior. Let's consider your mobile as your object. So in mobile, your and color of the mobile and the shape of mobile will be your characteristics, right? And its touch screen and Android will be its feature, right? Will be its behavior. So this was all. This was an overview of an object. Like we'll directly move to that object part. Just a sec. Okay. You can see here that you can read here an entity that has state and behavior is known as object. Here we are given with an example called chair, bike, markers, pen, and table. So let's see your bike. Your bike is of Honda. Let's say your bike is an Honda bike. So it is an petrol bike. It is a petrol bike. So it is a state of your bike, right? It's a state of your bike. But it's 110 cc bike. But it's 110 cc bike is the behavior of your bike, right? It is the behavior of your bike. So these are two things we have in the object. Just a second, guys.
Nikunj sir, good afternoon. Am I audible?
Oh, yes, sir. I was on mute. My bad.
No, that is fine, sir. Thank you. So, sir, 2 minutes can I take?
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Thank you, sir. So, good afternoon, students. I'm Ishwar. Hope you already know. So, yes, very good. Parvati, Shiv Parvati, I feel is it? Yes, ma. Good afternoon. So, hope everyone is doing safe, who is staying safe and fine, right? Yes, Cynthia, Gayatri, Gautami, Lavanya, very good. It's good to see that you all remember me. So, I just want to ask one question that how many of you are actually writing assessments every day? Raise your hand. Like how many of you are writing assessment every day? I have assessment sheets with me also. Yes, Gayatri is writing. I have Gayatri's name. And remaining Shiv Parvati, Sandhya, Chandana. What happened? You people are not writing, huh? Lavanya, are you writing or no? No, Lavanya is not writing. I know Lavanya, you're not writing. See? Meghna, Kusuma, are you writing? I know you're not writing. Don't think now. Very good. Why are you not writing the test? Is there any reason for not writing? What assessment sheet, Lavanya? Every day you are getting a link in your class group, no? You're not getting link. Someone unmute and speak, Lavanya or Sandhya or anyone unmute and speak.
No, sir.
We are not getting the link in the class groups. Why? I will look into it. Don't worry. So from today onwards, what I'll do is I'll share the assessment link with you people also. Okay. So make sure that you people are attempting the test every day. Okay. See, ma, this test is not for not for grading system or not for anything. It's just for you people to improve your skills, coding skills. Okay. So don't forget, it is only for that. So just remember that assessments are not for something like, ఏదో పట్టా కట్టి ఏదో స్టాచ్యూ చేయించడానికో లేదంటే గోల్డ్ మెడల్ సిల్వర్ మెడల్ ఇవ్వడానికి అయితే కాదు. సో అర్థమవుద్దని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో టెస్ట్ రాయండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ జస్ట్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ స్కిల్స్, కోడింగ్ స్కిల్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ నో యు ఆల్ ఆర్ హియర్ not only to attend the classes but also to get jobs, right? Lavanya, Akanksha చెప్పు. జాబ్ కావాలా వద్దా? Yes, I know you all want job. Yes, yes, Rupa. See, everyone wants job. Everyone wants job, right? So how you'll get the job if and only if you practice coding very well, right? See how beautifully Nikun sir takes class. Even I know he teaches very well. So how can he teach his class very well? If and only if he has a rigorous practice, right? So that amount of practice Nikun sir, very good, by practice. So in the same way, even you have to do it. Okay. So hope even I remember last time, last year you were asking me, sir, how to join in talent show. So if you want to join in talent show, it's obviously you have to practice a lot of coding if you want to join as a technical trainer. Okay. So don't forget, you have to practice a lot. So just for that practice only, every day evening we'll give you assessments. Okay. So don't forget. And regarding the links, so Shiv Parvati, Sandhya or Lavanya, any of you please text me. So I'll just get confirmed whether links are getting shared or not. Okay. So thank you, students. I just wanted to say that, and hopefully you're enjoying your online classes. So thank you. I'll meet you soon. Okay. Bye, students. Have a good day and listen to the class properly. Okay. Nikun sir teaches very well. He, no, I'm 100% sure that he clarifies their doubts also. So, okay. Yes, see, I know. So, always remember, not only what you study is important, but also practice also. And practicing is also important. Okay. So, don't forget, students. So, thank you and have a good day. I'll meet you soon now. Okay. Thank you, Nikun sir. Thank you. You can continue your class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Bye, students.
Wow, Vishwar sir. I know he has a great fan following in Kite. Uh, Even I'm a big fan of his teaching. So, for now, we'll just get back to our topic. We'll discuss about this later. Okay. Let's get back to our topic. So, what is a class? I mean, yeah, what is a class? What example we took? Blueprint, right? Blueprint of your house. Blueprint of your house. So you have in the blueprint you have the layouts of your bathroom, layout of your kitchen, layout of your bedroom, hall, staircase, right? According to that blueprint, labor has to work, right? According to that blueprint only, labor has to work. So consider that object as your labor. Consider labor as your object, and all the blueprint is your class. All the blueprint is your class, right? So according to that blueprint, labor has to work. According to that blueprint only, labor has to work. Similarly, according to the class only, object has to perform its duty. According to class only, labor has to perform a duty. Right? This is the main concept behind the relation between object and class. Screen is not visible, okay, but it's visible in mine. Okay, okay. Let's start again. Wait, is it now? Is it now? Ramya, is it now visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. So this was the basic relationship between class and object. Okay. So let me tell you one thing which I already told you. I know. So class is a collection of declaration statements and methods. Class is nothing but the collection of declaration statements and method. But class also contains the field, constructors, and blocks and nested class also. We'll talk about this nested class and constructor later in the upcoming topics. So for now, just remember that class is collection of this much statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Fields are nothing but your declaration statements. Methods, we'll discuss what are method, but just remember that this methods contains the main operation, right? Performing statements. Okay. And after that, we have constructor and blocks and nested class and interface. We'll learn about this in the upcoming topics. For now, just remember that your class contain this much. Okay. So class is a collection of declaration statements and methods. And class is often considered as your blueprint. Blueprint. According to that blueprints, objects are created and have to work. Okay. So let me know if you guys understood the concept of class and object. Please let me know in the chat box if you guys understood the concept of class and object. Please everyone let me know if you guys understood the concept of class and object. I'm audible, right?
Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
Hmm. Okay. So this was about class and objects. Let's see what are modifiers. Let's see what are modifiers now. So often, like in the previous unit, we have seen this keywords, right? Public, private, not default, but he has seen public, right? So let's see what are this public, private, default, and protected means. What are these keywords for? Okay, so modifier is nothing but words that will use to uh, that will use to enhance your field, right? That will use to define your field. Modifiers are nothing but a tool which used to define your field. Okay, it will define your class, it will define your method, whether it is a public, whether it is a private, whether it's a default or protected. Okay, so let's see what is public first. What is public first? So in public, the code is accessible for all classes. Code is accessible for all classes in public. Right? You have seen Three Idiot movies. Three Idiot movie. Have you seen the Three Idiot movie? Okay, Akila. Okay. So in that there is one dialogue. American says that to some guy that a student, a student, take this 100 rupees, take this 100 rupees, buy one uniform, and sit in whichever class you want. Yeah, some guys will remember now the dialogue. Millimeter guy. Amir Khan gives the 100 rupees to millimeter, 100 or 300 something, and he asks him to go and sit in any of the class. Yeah, I know. It's a very famous movie. I know. So consider that we have used public modifier to that millimeter guy. Consider we have applied public modifier to that millimeter guy. So now that millimeter guy can go and sit in any class he wants, right? Any class he wants. So suppose we have so now he can study from all the classes, right? Now he can study from all the classes. He have the uniform of a particular college. So now he can go and sit in whatever class he wants. So similarly, if you apply public to a field, this public modifier. I'll highlight this. If you apply this public modifier to any of the field, it will be accessible throughout all the classes, right? What are the classes you have in your program? This public modifier will available that particular field throughout the classes, throughout the whole program. Okay, this what does the public modifier do? Okay, so now the private modifier. The private modifier says the code is only accessible within the declared class. So let's say if I have declared a field with private modifier. Let's say I have declared a field as a private in a particular class. Suppose I have declared a particular field in that class only, in one specific class. So whatever code I have in that field will exit only in that class. Getting my point? Suppose me and my friend drinking sugarcane juice from two glasses. We have two glasses of sugar milk juice, and we have only one straw. We have only one straw, and and I myself drink that juice from that one straw only. So now that straw is just belongs to me, right? Now that straw just belong to me. So I have applied that private modifier to that straw. Getting my point? Consider those two glasses. Consider those two glasses are my two separate classes in a program, right? And I used one straw to drink that juice from only one straw that we are drinking. We have. So now that glass and that straw now belongs to me, right? Now I have used my private modifier to it. I have used private modifier to it. So now it's belong to me only. So this was private modifier to. It will only accessible the code which you have declared with private modifier will only be accessible within the declared class. Within that declared class. Right? So this was about private modifier. So let's see what is default. The code is only accessible in the same package. This is used when you don't specify a modifier. You will learn more about this package in upcoming topics. So what I've told you guys, what about packages? Whatever classes we take means create, whatever the classes we take create in our compiler are get stored in one package file only, right? Whatever class we create in our compiler while programming, we create it in the same package, right? We create it in same package. So if I declared one field, if I declare one entity with default modifier, so that default modifier will belongs to that package only. That's it. Beyond that package, it will not exist. Getting my point? If I declared a field or an entity in that package file as default, it will exist only in that package. This was the meaning of this default modifier. And now protected. The code is accessible in the same package and subclass. Okay? Mm, we'll learn this. It's quite complicated. So we'll learn this protected modifier when we learn this subclasses and superclasses inheritance. So it will be more what do you say? More explanatory in that topic. Inheritance in the inheritance topic. So we'll just skip this protected for now. Now you understand. So how many of you guys understood this public, private, and default modifiers? Please let me know. How many of you guys remember this public? I mean, get this public, private, and default modifier. Thank you. Thank you. Just three of the girls, four of the girls. Okay, okay, Narsimha, I'll explain. Okay, thank you for your response. Thank you so much, guys. Default, right? Default. Default to whom? Narsimha, right? Maheshwari, Narishima. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name incorrectly. No, please don't mind. I'm just not used to this types of names. Sorry if I mispronounced your name. Okay, I'll tell you what is package and all. Let me open my IntelliJ. It's opening. Just give me some couple of minutes, guys. It's opening. Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay, it's opening. Yes. Okay. Okay. You know what is package file, right? You know what is package file. So in your interface, in your program, in your coder, you can see the first line. The first line over here, it says package, and this is your package name. Com dot is whatever you name written over here. It's on you. You can name it anything. So this is your package name, right? This is your package name. So what is a package? The package is nothing but um, a file which contains all of your classes, all of your classes. So here we have our main class, right? This is our class, public class. This is a modifier. Public is a modifier, right? And this is a class keyword, and this is your class name, right? This is your class name. You can name class anything. Okay. And here you can see in the main box, in the main module, you can see the package file, right? In the first line you can see package over here, package keyword, and this com dot your package name. This is your package name. And below that you have your main class, right? Main class. So whatever class you create, okay, mark my word, whatever class you create in the package file. Okay, you create in the package file. So whenever you declare a particular field, whenever you declare a field by default modifier, whenever you create a field by default modifier, it will exist in only in that package. It will exist only in that package, not in some different package. It will only exist in which you have declared it as default. Now got it, Narishma? Narish, Narishma? Narishma, have you got it, the default modifier? What is package file and all? So what is package file? Package file is nothing but file in which we create all the classes, right? And whenever we define an entity, whenever we define an entity as default, that entity will exist only in that uh, package file. Okay. If you declare that if you declare that entity in some other package, it will show error. Arey, Narishma, I explained this point only for you because you asked. So please let me know if you understood or not.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay. 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 So we'll learn this protected modifier when we are dealing with subclass and superclass in inheritance. Okay. So don't worry about that. So now we have class members. Right? Now we have class members. A class member is an entity who belongs to a specific group that is directly affected by allegation against its defendant. A class action in lawsuit. I'll just say, I'll just say, what a class member is a member that exists inside that class. Right? Consider you are in a section. You are in a section. Let's say let's say Sita is in A section, right? Sita, let's consider. I don't know in which section you are. Let's consider Sita is in A section. So what is Sita? Sita is a class member, right? Sita is a class member. So this was about class member. So the constants you deal with, the class variable, the class methods. These are few example of class members. Okay, constants, class variable, class methods are the few example of class members, right? So this was all about the class member. Okay, so here we understood what is object first, and from this object we got to know what is a class, right? And after that we have seen modifiers and components of class, means class members. So in this any one of you have any doubt in what we learned today? Please let me know if you guys have any doubt about the whatever topics we have studied. I know this is boring, but it's theory. What we can do. Please let me know, you guys, if you understood anything about this. Whatever topic we have learned. Arey, I'm waiting for your replies. Please let me know if you guys understood today's topic or not. If not, it's fine. We have 10 minutes. We can revise it again. Thank you so much for your response, guys. Your responses are really appreciable. I know Sridevi. Actually, I was on call. Okay, that's why I didn't scroll. Arey, Narsima, I'm really sorry because I can't pronounce the your name, Narishma. I'm quite weak at Telugu.
Hello, sir.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, my name is Narishma, sir.
Okay, sorry, it's Narishma.
Yes, sir. No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, so I guess there's no doubt in this today's class. And guys, this assessments, no, the assessment the college is assigning you is for your betterment only. Okay, I mean not yours, not your betterment, mine betterments also. If I'm lagging in some points in teaching you something, it will show in that assessments. Okay, and from you guys, from you only, if you guys feel like I'm weak at some point in teaching. Okay, if you guys feel like I need to do this in my teaching, or I need to do this in my training and all and all. Please, I'm open for any criticism. Okay, you can text me in the WhatsApp also, or you can say it in the middle of class. I don't mind. Okay, you guys, you guys are open or free to criticism in my teaching. No worries about that. And there's one thing, whatever task I provide you about this roasting and all, this is for your increasing the communication skill, to increase your communication skills. Many of us, like I already told you that many of us are not good at communications, right? That's why I'm asking you guys, because if you guys face interviews, like anyway you are going to face interviews in upcoming years. As I told you about infinitive, right? It start from third year only. Start from third year only. If you guys prepare now, if you guys prepare now, you guys will save precious 1 year. If you get placed before even graduating. So I'm requesting you guys, please take this task, whatever we are performing. It's not just for fun. It's for your betterment in communication skills. So I request you guys to please go prepared. It will hardly take 10 to 15 minutes to prepare that. So I expect many more responses tomorrow about this exercises what we are performing in the class. It will only take it will okay. So now I'm providing you guys with one feedback link. Okay, I'm providing you guys with one feedback link. Please go through this topic. I mean, please go through this link and provide me the feedback. Okay, Vanita asked one doubt. Please go and okay. So yeah, let me check. What is the difference between object and a class member? Object as a class member. So see, class. Well, what you can say? Class and object both are different things. Both are different things. Class is a blueprint. Class is a blueprint which consists declarative statements and methods. Declarative statement and methods. An object, an object. In other some other language, I'll say that object will provide you with the arguments or say trigger. Objects are nothing but the triggers. Objects are nothing but the triggers. Okay, you know triggers, right? Triggers. So in class we have blueprint, right? According to that blueprints, object have to move. Object have to trigger it, right? Objects have to trigger it. So if I call an object with the help of one class name and method, if I create an object with the help of class name and method, that object will move according to that blueprint, right? That object will move according to that blueprint. It will assign that value, and whatever the code we have in that method will get performed. It's that simple. So for now, keep in mind that object class is the blueprint and object is your trigger. I know it's confusing for you. It's a really new topic. I know it will be confusing, but don't worry. If you guys start programming, it will be all clear. What is an object and what is a class? For now, just remember, class is nothing but the blueprint. Okay, and objects have to move according to that. This is the basic difference between the class and the object. This is the easiest language in which I can told you that what is the difference between class and object. Okay, so I hope Vanita, you understood. Am I confusing? Anita? I mean, Vanita? Did I confused you?
Not understand, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sure, na. If you still do not get it, please contact me on WhatsApp. I'll explain. No worries. I'm just trying to break the all bookish language into simple language you can understand. So if you still do not understood, contact me on WhatsApp. I'll go buy books if you want, or I'll just go buy books or start my own examples. Okay. So I want you guys to please go to that feedback link and give me some feedback for today's lecture. Please, guys, go through this link and provide me some feedback. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you, Akila. Thank you, Narishma. Yeah, now I pronounce your name properly. Narishma. Thank you, Anupma. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you, Vijaya. Yeah. Thank you, Sita. Okay. Thank you, Sushmita. Thank you, Dharani. And I declare now our class is over. Okay. Please, no one will leave. I guess you guys have classes after that, right? After this. Okay. Thank you, Pavni. Okay. Thank you for your precious time, guys. We'll meet on Monday. Bye. Thank you, Soumya.